ganda man sa mga bulaklak. Hi moms, good morning. Mag-alas 10 na. Sisimba kami. Kasi sponsor ba kayo? Don Bosco daw. Ang sponsor, ayun. Required na magsimba sila ngayon kahit hindi siya usher or hindi siya mag-altar server kasi sponsor daw yung school nila sa mass ngayon. So, kailangan niyang magsimba. Ang init. Doon tayo sa kabila. Kasi mainit. And lunch. Maaga pa. Mag-alas 10 pa lang na umalis kami sa bahay. 10:30 pa yung mass. Yun ba? May nakakaan. Yun ma'am, siyang init. Kaya mas maganda magsimba ng 7 or 10 ng gabi. 5. Ang tirik ng araw.
That man being a member of the Pharisee group and the scribe group. So he went during night time because he was afraid that his group mates may see him talking to Jesus Christ. And Nicodemus, the background of this gospel, was asking Jesus, how could a man be born again or be born of the Spirit? And Jesus telling him, you are a learned man and you don't understand what is being born of the Spirit. And that was the comment of Jesus to Nicodemus. And so Jesus took this opportunity to explain to Nicodemus what is meant to be born in the Spirit. Or today it is understood as to be baptized. Born again means to be born of the Spirit means to be baptized in the name of Christ. And also, brothers and sisters, the gospel we have.
Hi moms, tapos na ang mass. Yung school nila kalilang nag-sponsor ng mass, kaya kailangan silang kailangan nilang maki-attend. Required yun, ma'am. Diretso kami ng Save More sa baba. Ayun, ma'am, si Galilo. Nanguna na naman. Diretso kami Save More, Happy Homes. Ay, hindi pala Happy Homes yun. Magsaysay. Ang dami na. Sasakyan na naman. Traffic. Parang kahapon. Hindi pwede mag-park dito. Kaya nga, eh ba't bumuputak ka sa harapan? Pwede naman pala dito. Kaya nga, pwede naman yata dito.
Kasi yung paglabas dyan, iikot tapos pa dyan.
Ay, kasi one way, no? Iwan mo, anak.
Dalhin mo.
Tanungin mo kung pwede nang dagdagali na ba or ano. Tahan natin, so. Let's tahan. Olives. Oo, chicken muna. Chicken muna. Ay, oh. Kaya nauna na si Khalil, mams. Iniwan na kami. Iniwan na kami ni Khalil. Bumili lang kami ng ano, konting item. Kasi magluluto ako ng chicken Alfredo, mams. Ayun. Wala akong, bumili kaming olives, black olives. Tsaka yung chicken na ilalagay. Nauna na si Khalil talaga. Hindi niya napansin na nasa likod kami. So, ilang mams ang aming vlog. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye! Ayan si Bunso na una na naman.